Mountaintop Beverage, what we do here is we're processors of liquids, and we extend the shelf life of those products for upwards of a year in either refrigerated or a shelf-stable format. So these are products such as dairy, plant-based dairy alternatives, protein shakes, coffee, tea products. Now, most of the founding team is from Western New York. We had not spent time in Morgantown before we came down here for this project. We felt very much at home here. It met a lot of the criteria we wanted from a business standpoint, and it also met a lot of criteria we wanted from a social impact standpoint. Currently, we have about 150 team members on staff. We'll have over 200 by the end of the year. I would think probably within 3 to 5 years, we'll be closer to 500. We are going out of our way to make sure we're sourcing local as much as possible. Certainly dairy is a core element of that. The dairy economy in West Virginia is down about 50% in the last 10 years. So there's a lot of rebuilding that needs to take place, and we're working with Kent Leanhard and Joe Hatton at the Department of Agriculture to try and accomplish that. One of the things that's really strong here are the 4-H and FFA programs. So we have a lot of younger generation that want to farm, and we've got a factory here that's going to have a need for a lot of dairy for decades. We had to take the top off a mountain to see our dream come true here. We went to a lot of trouble to get here. You know, there wasn't a shovel-ready site that was appropriate for what we wanted here. The reality is everyone local, whether it's at the state level, the county level, the local delegation, you know, and Ross Rogerston and the Morgantown Area Partnership were incredibly helpful in getting us here. One of the areas that people don't really understand is what a role a group like MAP plays in bringing business to a local community. And I can say it was instrumental in our decision to be here.